Welcome back to another demo of Aero.work, your unlimited spatial computing app. Multi-platform, multi-browser, and dog-friendly, so you can work while chilling with the dog. So, hi Royal. So what we've got here is we've got my Mac running in front of me, but it can be any remote computer. So it's got the desktop, the Aero desktop app running to share the computer into the environment. It's got, as you can see across the top, multiple virtual monitors attached. So we can switch between them on the 2D view and just take control from that way. So this 2D view is available in any Quest browser, and you'll be able to access it through the Aero website, and you'll be able to access it from another Quest headset or desktop computer or mobile phone. So you'll be able to actually share the links and have others join from the desktop computer, no matter what type of device that they're using. And the idea here is you'll have different spaces. So you can see all the spaces I've created on the left and all the computers that I have and all the people that are shared with this space. Now, once we jump into the spatial environment, you'll see you can set up the spatial environment however you like, and you can have multiple computers, and depending on the room that you're in, can change the configuration. So if you want one room for accounting, one room for computer programming, you can set them all up differently. And so now you're limited in the Quest browser by the kind of limits of it going horizontally. But let's really jump into the power of spatial computing with Aero and see how we can take away a lot of those limits. So we'll jump into the spatial environment. And now we're on the moon. All the computers are jumping in at you. They're exactly placed around you, exactly how you need them. And you can see they're set up exactly the way you would want, but maybe you want multiple computers, so maybe you want to place them a little bit differently. You can just highlight all of the computer, just like this, to move them all the screens as a whole. Or you can hover over any of them and it shows you with lightning, just like magic, which objects you can move, so you can place them, and it'll remember them and remember the position. So we're working on the moon right now, which is great. And we can see all the monitors around me. But maybe, we want to get into pass-through. So we can just jump into pass-through and bam. Now we're back chilling with the dog. So these are the user windows on the left here. They usually appear in front of you. But you can move them around too. Just grab them. And users will be able to share their screen, and this will actually show their screen to you, so you can focus in on them, and they'll jump in front of you just like that too. And then you can just send them right back where they were. So you can focus in and out on computers or users as quickly as you can, and really, it's about bridging the gap between what a developer needs, unlimited resources and unlimited compute power, and the power of spatial computing. So now that we've got the computer all set up exactly as we want it, and we know we can bring our users in, we can see that there's no lag. It's very low. We can jump up here, taking care of some of my Aero project management. We can come over here, grabbing some of my production build issues. Or maybe we want to chat with ChatGPT. Anything you want. It's perfectly quick, or we can jump into the IDE. Everything is super legible. So the idea here is removing the limits of physics from computing. So the limits of physical CPU resources with remote computers, the limits of physical monitors with spatial computing. We want you to have an unlimited experience with computing. Programmers are like the modern day wizards, and we want you to be able to create magic. So we made it feel like magic. And that is Aero.work. So we're beta testing now. Come join our beta test. Test it out. Help us make it better. You'll be able to invite your friends in to share your computer screens with you. You'll be able to get lots done. And again, that's aaro.work. Come join the beta test. Thank you.